Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Yeah, on the daily time frame, the Bitcoin chart could still be in a in an overall uptrend here in this larger degree wave 5. That's been the thesis for quite some time, and the white scenario remains valid. Okay, we could get one more high in the white wave 5 of 5 to complete a larger bull market that started in the year 2022. So we have a rally in 5 waves, but the 5th wave could get one more high. So that means, however, that we are, even in this perspective, quite close to the end of a larger bull market. In this 5th wave to the upside, yeah, we could get one more high as an ABC structure. But please note that the rally that I expect is likely going to be only an ABC pattern, so not an impulsive pattern. So it will be difficult to really detect and confirm if we've bottomed down here, because so far the rally has only been corrective in nature, not impulsive. And we don't have any 5-wave move yet from the low, but we need a 5-wave move up to be more clearly bullish, to confirm further that really the bulls are taking the lead here. Please note that in the red scenario, it's possible the bull market has already formed a price top. And over the coming months then, maybe even the coming year, the price could enter a bear market. That is what I expect anyway, either from here directly after a B wave bounce or after one more high. Okay, so the structure is very, very similar. Either way, we should be very close to the end of a bull market. Maybe we've topped already. That's the red scenario, but I cannot confirm that until we get the structure of the next rally. If it's corrective in nature, it would certainly keep the red scenario alive. And then any impulse down, any 5-wave move down from this resistance area would be more clearly bearish. But as long as pullbacks remain corrective in nature, that means they are forming higher lows and we're forming 3-wave movements to the downside. The focus to the upside remains intact. But I know this week was quite boring. There wasn't really a lot of movement. Next week might be a bit more interesting. But please note we are at an important pivot, a very important area where the price can form a low. And we might have already seen the low on the 7th of April. But for further confirmation that at least a local low has formed, I would like to see a break above this descending trend line. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame for BTC. Here on the smaller time frame, we really don't see much clarity on the smaller time frame. From the 7th of April low, and this is what I told you in the last video, we can still track a potential 5-wave move up. Wave 1, wave 2 already done. The 3rd wave might actually still be unfolding. Then we get another 4 and 5. So bottom line is here, we don't have 5 waves up complete. I think that's the bottom line. It is entirely possible that the larger degree 3rd wave already finished. And we're currently working on the larger degree 4th wave here. And we only get one more high. So I would be okay with that. But what we have now is not yet a 5-wave move. I'd say at least one more high is needed. And we have a support area to watch, Fibonacci support. I'm showing all the levels here, but the main Fibonacci support area is in orange, between $80,000 and $83,000. So this is a support area to watch. The price already reacted to it on the 16th of April. So it's working, it's playing out. We see reactions to Fibonacci levels. But that doesn't mean we have to break out to the upside. It is possible we get another test of support, maybe around the $82,000 level or area before we go higher. Now, I'm also tracking a potential triangle here as indicated by the trend lines. The price is forming higher lows, lower highs. So that indicates indecision, but it means that as long as we're holding support, the focus is on higher. To be fair, actually this red line is relevant at $78,421 because in the white scenario, we're tracking a so-called diagonal pattern. And in a diagonal pattern, the price really, in any 4th wave pullback, should hold above the B wave low in the 3rd wave. And that's $78,420. So as long as we're holding above, the focus can be on higher prices. And in the very short term, it is possible to get another low, yes. To confirm that we've already started the fifth wave up, like the next move up towards 88K to 90K, I need to see a break above this week's highs and the resistance at $85,715. Unfortunately, until we get a break below the Wednesday low or a break above resistance here, Fibonacci resistance, really there isn't much to report. You could class this as noise because the market is only moving sideways, just correcting what this previous uptrend. So we have to remain patient. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.